she had to roam the streets. She loaned a major credit cards. I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite legitimate. And what a scummy man. Just give him half a chance. I bet he'll rob you if he can. Can't see it in his eyes yet that he's got a driving ban among some other offences. Cause he's a scumbag, don't you know? Said he's a scumbag, don't you know? Just give him half a chance, I bet he'll rob you if he can. Can see it in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a nasty plan. I hope you're